figure below shows the shape of a park. All right, so you have this weird trapezoid thing where the top of the trapezoid is 60 yards, the bottom is 132. Then you have this straight up and down height of 30 yards and this weird diagonal thing that is 78 yards. My job is to find the area in square yards of the park. This is what I'm going to do. I'm going to split this into two shapes, where one of my shapes is a rectangle and the other shape is a right triangle. Not drawn to scale, doing the best I can. Now I know the rectangle is 60 and 30. That's what I care about. Because when I find the area of a rectangle, the area is going to be length times width. Now, what I care about here, that's 78? No. Why? Because the area of a triangle is 1/2 of the base times the height. The height is this up and down number right here, which I already know to be 30 because of that right there. I need the base. That's this bottom thing right here. Well, I don't have that part. Oh, but you know what I do have? I know that this part right here is 60. I know the whole thing is 132. So this remaining part is going to be 132 minus 60. So that's going to be 2. 13 minus 6 is going to be 7. So this guy right here is 72. So you're going to be 72. So let's find the area of each part. The area of the rectangle is the length times the width. So if I call you the length and if I call you the width, it doesn't matter which one's which. The area is going to be 60 times 30. Now 6 times 3 is 18. So 60 times 30 is 18 with 2 zeros attached. Now the area of a triangle is 1/2 of the base times the height. So the base is 72 and the height is 30. So 1/2 times the base, which is 72, times the height, which is 30. So 1/2 of 72, because we're multiplying left to right, 1/2 of 72 is going to be 36. 36 times 30, and this is a calculator section. You'd be allowed to use a calculator, but let's just go over here and do the practice anyway. 36 times 30, let's just multiply it out. 0 times 6 is 0. 0 times 3 is 0. We move to the next row and include the 0. 0 times 6 is 18, so write out the 1, carry the 3. 3 times 3 is 9. 9 plus 1 is 10. So you add these guys up to get 1,080. So this area is 1,080. Now that I know the area of the rectangle and I know the area of the triangle, I can add them up. So let me do that over here. I have 1,800 and I'm going to add 1,080 zeros. 0 plus 8 is 8. 8 plus 0 is 8. 1 plus 1 is 2. I have yards, so this is going to be square yards or yards squared, but it looks like they only want the number, which is going to be 2,880.